It is June 28th, and we've got a lot to talk about. But first, we have some severe weather coming in. We do have this very large slight risk cutting through from the upper peninsula of Michigan all the way down into parts of Kansas. It does appear to be more of a wind-driven threat. This is the wind outlook, so it's mostly wind that's causing this. And then again, we have another one on Oh, this is weird. It never updated. So this is... Okay, this is broken. It's the same thing. So, yeah. And then we do have some higher heat coming in above normal for most of the country. With tomorrow's severe weather, this is the Colorado State University maps. They do help. I like them. This is day 2, right? Yeah, there's not too big of a tornado threat. It does think maybe up here there would be. This is hail, so lower hail than. Well, not lower. It's higher than they think. And same with the wind. It's the same wind threat as normal. So with that being said, probably switch over to a better model. So right now it's about I forgot how to do that. 222. And so I'm gonna focus in more on this area. We can see that some of this is ML Cape. And CAPE is like instability. It stands for convective available potential energy. And so looking at this, it has not loaded far enough. So we're going to have to go to the 12, to the 7 a.m. Around, this one says the most instability is maybe around 3 in more southern Wisconsin. And 3, 4 throughout more parts of Wisconsin. It does look like there could be maybe a tornado threat up here in that area. I do think that has a chance for it given its instability. The problem is it just doesn't have great updrafts. And if we looked at the simulated reflectivity, you can see there are no storms moving through at that time. So when storms move through more in that slight risk area, we'll say it's 19Z, there is a good amount of instability. But the tornado threat is lower. It's a good one too. And then as it moves, we can start to see storms start to fire off more down here in this area, where they'll move through, eventually maybe hitting Chicago. There isn't a lot of confidence with that. And then this is 5 p.m. So to look at that area where the storms are, surface, the instability has kind of came down since then, and that's normal because the storms have already started. And we're thinking this is going to be a wind threat and hail. This is surface hail. You can see it pops up a lot in a lot of places. So this week, rest of this week, because it's unstable. This week there could be maybe a few more chances for severe storms, far lower risks here on Thursday. And the 4th of July, I would definitely watch this area just in case, because that could bring some storms, maybe a lower tornado threat if it wants to hold up. And that being said, with the 4th of July coming near, 90 degrees in Chicago, 84 in Milwaukee, so it's going to be decently warm. Those dew points are relatively high. And this is theta E. It kind of signals severe weather, so very large area for the potential of severe weather. Now it wants to work. So if I were to go in, there is some concern for severe weather with that. So in general, it's going to be a warm week. There's chances for severe weather throughout the week. And let's make sure there's no excessive rain. No, there's no excessive rain either, really, unless you're really far up north. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. I might go live tomorrow. I'm not sure, though.